you have to write it like this. Then you will write 2 by 18. Then you need to simplify it as well. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. So final answer is 1 by 9.
1 by 9.
Okay. This is the first part. Do all the parts. And here this 1 you can see. Instead of this 1, you will write 3 by 3.
Okay. Mom, in this, I don't get what to do.
Which one? In this?
In the one you just showed, yeah.
This one is written, right? So instead of
Yes,
1, you
ma'am.
can write 3 by 3. Okay. So if you write 3 by 3, it will be like this. 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3.
Okay.
Right? So that's why they are given you.
Ma'am, for the I?
I?
Yeah.
Think. Can it be 15 by 5? 5? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
15 by 5 can be, right? So you can write 15 by 5. Okay?
Okay.
Here the denominators are same, so you just need to do it like this. But I'll also teach you when the denominators are not same.
Okay. Ma'am, for the second one, once I added, I cannot simplify it because both of them cannot go in one table together. So, ma'am, we'll stop there, right?
Yes. If you cannot further solve it, just leave it like that.
Okay.
Ma'am, I joined and I'm sorry.
No problem, Halima. We are just doing this. You need to add it, right?
Yeah.
So first one 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 18. So if you will write the denominator are same, so it will become 18. And then 1 plus 1. So it became 2 by 18. Right?
Yeah.
You will further simplify it. It is 1 upon 9. 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. Okay?
Ma'am, then no, I got it. Ma'am, the same goes for the G1 also.
It's for every question.
Okay.
Ma'am, I finished.
Let's just wait for Halima. She joined late and then we'll discuss. Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Is this Ira?
Yes.
Uh,
It's I.
I'll rename you. Wait a minute. Where were you in the previous class, Ira?
I was traveling. I'm in India.
Okay. So you should watch the recording, right? So that
Yes, I was going to watch it.
start doing this question. Okay. Legends is Halima finished. Should we discuss?
How do you do this?
I'll teach you. Don't worry. Okay.
Ma'am, can you wait 2 minutes?
Okay. Till then I can explain it to Ira. I think Hana is like finished and she's waiting. Okay. So over here, it's nothing like that. It's like, for example, 1 upon 18 and 1 upon 18. Right? So, Hannah, you tell me the answer for the second one. What you got?
Ma'am, for the second one, I got 11 by 15.
Okay, so she got 11 by 15. Let's see how she got. Okay. Somebody else joined, I guess. Yeah, everybody is joining late. Let Salman also come. Good evening, Salman. Why you joined late? Okay. Am I audible to everybody now? Can you people hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the answer for the B1? Can you repeat?
It's 11 by 50. I'll do it here. Have a look. Okay, those who joined late, how do we solve this? 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So now the denominators are same. So you will write 15 here. Okay? And here 8 plus 3. So 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11 by 15.
11.
So you cannot
11 by
simplify
15.
this, right? So that's why you will leave it. Okay?
Yes,
Now,
So, ma'am, the answer will be 11 by 15 as it is.
sorry.
Ma'am, so the answer we should not simplify for this, right?
Yeah, it is not possible.
Yeah.
Okay? Third one, Hannah, tell me what you got, third one.
Ma'am, for the third one, I got 2 by 7.
Okay, let's see. The third one is 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. Okay, so 7 will be the denominator and here 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2 by 7.
7.
Right? Of course, you cannot further simplify this, so 2 by 7 here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the D1 is 1 upon 22. This. So simply, you will do the things. So,
I don't get the G question and I.
D1, anyone who finished apart from Hannah, who want to tell me the answer D1?
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Hmm.
Ma'am, in the D1, it's 1 by 22 plus 21 by 22 is equal to 1 plus 21 by 22. Ma'am, we'll get 22 by 22. Then we'll simplify this to 11 by 11, then 1 by 1.
Yes. So over here it was 22. So you will write 22 here and here 1 plus 21. So 1 plus 21 is 22 by 22. So the final answer would be 1. Clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Apart from
Ma'am,
Hannah,
I didn't get G and I. G
I'll
and I
explain
part.
you G and I. Don't worry, I'll explain. Okay, so now let us come to G1 because it was confused. So over here they have mentioned is that instead of 1 you can write 3 by 3. Yes. So instead of 1 I will write 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Yes. Now the denominators are same. So 3 here and 3 minus 2. So what you got? 1 by 3. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody, the G part is clear. Here they have
Ma'am,
given
I didn't get it.
see, they have in this question they have given you
Just 1 minute.
in place of 1. Okay, in place of 1 you can write 3 by 3. So instead of writing 1 you can write 3 by 3. So if you write 3 by 3, 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3, then you can solve it. The denominator
Okay.
3 and 3 minus 2, 1 by 3. Okay.
Okay.
Clear everybody?
Ma'am, what about H? I mean, I1.
Yeah, I'll explain that. Everybody got the G1?
Yes, ma'am.
Salman, you got it, Salman?
Yes, ma'am.
No, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Salman, be loud. I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you got it, na?
Ma'am, he said yes.
It's a yes. Okay. Okay, so now I think everybody has written it. So let's just move to the I one. It is a little bit complicated, but you have to use your brains here. Okay. So over here it says 3 minus 12 by 5. Okay. Now in
Yeah.
this scenario, basically,
Ma'am, are we supposed to multiply the denominator and add the numerator?
yes, that's also one solution.
It's like a mixed fraction.
Yes.
And
Not
then
a mixed fraction
after,
basically. Not a mixed fraction. But if you multiply this with over here, it's like 3, 1. Yes. So you took 5 here. Right? Now in one table, 5 comes at what time? 1 should be multiplied by which number that it will give you 5?
5.
5. So 5 multiplied by whatever is written here in the numerator, 3 minus 12. So you got
5 into 3. Oh,
it? So
15
you put
minus 12.
whenever, yeah. So you put, see, in this scenario, they have given you 3 by 3. Let's just do this one by this method. For example, it is 1 by 1 minus 2 by 3. Okay, wait. I think you will get confused. Let's just finish the first one. Then I will explain you this one by this method. Okay. So 15 minus 12 is 3.
3 by 5.
Yes. So everybody got 3 by 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Quickly write it down. Then this one.
So we need to multiply the numerator of one fraction and the
Yes, you have to
denominator.
find that 1 should be multiplied by which number that it will give you this. Of course, it will be same only.
So we should take both the denominators
ma'am.
of both the fractions and check in which table they go.
Yes. In 5 table, 5 comes at 1 only, na?
Yes.
So 1 multiplied by 12 is 12. So I wrote 12 here. Okay.
Okay.
Noted, everybody? Should I discuss this one? This one I'll do by this method. Okay.
Ma'am, you already did the G1.
Yeah, but I did it like, for example, I wrote 3 by 3 and I did it like that, right? But this one I'll do it by this method. Let me know, everybody, once you are done, then I'll explain the next one.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. Everybody finished? Or anyone who's still writing?
No,
Salman,
finished.
Adya, Halima, Hana finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done already.
Okay. Now in this one, 1 minus 2 by 3. So you can put a 1 here and now the denominator would be 3. Yes. Now in one table, 3 comes at what time? Tell me.
Ma'am, which question are you doing?
I'm doing the G1.
Ma'am, 1 3s are 3.
1 3 is a 3. So I wrote here 3 and here the numerator was 1, so 1. Now in 3 table, 3 comes at what time? 1, ma'am. 1 multiplied by
1.
2. You got 3 minus 2 by 3. So you got 1 by 3. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And earlier we did it like this. 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So it by 3, 2, 3 minus 2, 1 by 3.
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Yes, it will be same, but I'm telling you, in the case they have given you a hint here, but not every time they'll give you a hint. You have to use this method only. Okay?
Could you explain that above method again?
Yes, I'll explain taking the another example. Okay? For example, 2 by 1. For example, 2 minus 3 by 6. Okay? So first thing I'll put a 1 here in the denominator. Right? And then 6. Right? In one table, 6 come at what time?
6.
6. 6 multiplied by whatever is written in the
6 multiplied by 2.
yes. And now in 6 table, 6 come at
1.
1.
1 multiplied by whatever is written here, 3. Okay. So now 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. And 1
and 1 and 3 is 3.
Then you
So
can
12
simply,
minus 3 by 6.
then
And
9, 10, 11, 12, 9 by 6.
9 by
Then
6.
3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So 3 by 2 is the final answer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Everybody, this method is clear. So see, you have two type of questions. One, where the denominator would be same. So in that scenario, you take it and simply solve it. But for example, in one case, there is a whole number. Another one is a fraction. So you put 1 over there and make it a rational number, make it a fraction, and then you solve it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Should we copy this?
No, this is not required. Okay. Now, I think in the previous class, we did some word problem as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in today's class also we'll do some word problem. I'll not
Ma'am,
tell
we did one Rafiq and Rohit word
yes,
problem.
something like that. So I'll give you one word problem. I'll not tell you anything. Just do it on your own. And also don't forget to write the statements. Do it.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, you were lagging. Can you repeat what you told?
I told nothing. I said do third one and write the statements as well. And tell me the answer. I'll not tell you how to do this. Think about it. Whether you have to add it,
Ma'am,
whether you
not that one.
add it, whether you have to multiply it, whether you have to divide it. Think it. Okay? Try
Ma'am, the
because
sum which you wrote before that.
before that, this one. This.
Not that one. Yeah.
But this was just an explanation. I just gave you one random example. There was nothing. Because most of the students were getting confused here, so I just took a random example. You know,
Ma'am, can you explain that because you were lagging?
you have what? I can't hear you, Halima. Can you please pardon?
Ma'am, I was saying that can you show the word
Ma'am, I
problem?
finished.
Word problem. I didn't solve any word problem today. In the previous class we did some word problem. So those who were there, I think they know. But those who were not there, don't worry. I'll explain it again. This one. But those who were
Ma'am,
there,
I finished.
do it and I'll explain it again. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Let's just wait for everyone. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, once everyone finishes, can I answer this one?
Okay. I hope everybody has finished this. Yes. Or
Ma'am,
anyone?
2 minutes. Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I'm just adding it.
Okay. I'll wait.
Ma'am, done.
I'm finished.
Okay. Who will tell me the
Ma'am,
answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Hmm.
Ma'am, space Shubham painted of his space Shubham painted was 2 by 3. Space his sister painted is equal to 1 by 3. Space they painted together is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 3. Therefore, they painted 3 by 3 of the wall together.
And you will simplify it, you will get 1.
1 by 3, yeah.
Yes.
1 by 1.
1. Okay. So over here, see, Shubham painted 2, 3 of the wall space in the room. So Shubham basically painted. Who's this heart, heart, heart? This is. Am I audible? Can you hear me? The heart, heart, heart. 3 heart emojis. Who is this?
It's Varsha.
Sorry?
Varsha.
Varsha, do you have a class with me?
I don't know. They
You
said
have a
that-
trial class today?
Yeah,
You are in which standard?
it's 9. IG.
Sorry, your voice is little bit low.
9th. I'm in
9.
9th IGC.
Okay, okay. So might be you don't have a class with me right now because I am taking class. I think might be you need to join the breakout room. You can stay here. If you get something to join the breakout room, join that. Okay? Okay. So students, let's just start. So Shubham basically, how much he painted? He painted 2 by 3.
Ma'am, she painted 2 by 3.
Yes.
And
And
his
Madhavi,
painted
She
1 by 3.
painted 1 by 3.
We are supposed to add.
Ma'am,
because
now we
they're
have to add
together.
both of the fractions.
yes. So how do we find the
So
total?
it is 3 by 3.
Ma'am, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So we get 3 by 6. And if we simplify it,
Wait. Those who are saying it's 6, we never add denominator. We take it common.
Ma'am, it's
Only
only
add
3
the
by 3.
numerators.
It's
okay.
only 3 by 3. Because
Yes.
they're saying together, right?
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
When you have the same denominators, you don't add it. You take it common. For example, just remember this example in your mind. For example, you went to shopping. You and your sister, you are of same age group. You liked one dress. So will you purchase 2 different dresses or you will purchase only one dress? You can share that.
Only
Only one.
Only
Yes, so
one.
that's why when you have the same denominator, you take it common. You don't add it. Okay?
Okay.
Numerator, you need to add it. Okay?
Then ma'am will become 1. Right?
Yes. So in 3 by 3, so 1 by 1. Right? So how much did they paint together? They paint 1.
They painted 1.
Okay, they are not given any year, so therefore they painted a complete wall. 1 means a complete wall. 1 complete wall. Okay, so how would you write it? I already told in the previous class, these 3 dot means, therefore, they
Painted 1 wall
One.
together.
one wall together. Yeah, I hope everybody is fine with this and nobody has any doubt.
You understand?
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one more question I'll give you. Okay.
Ma'am, will you give another word problem?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Huh? Hmm. I can only hear ma'am. Ma'am, I can't say anything else.
ma'am, I do not understood this word problem.
Ma'am, I finished this. Ma'am, I finished.
So, for example, Javed was given 5.7 of a basket of oranges. right? From that, he picked one.
Ma'am, do we have to minus the denominator with the fraction?
He picked one.
Ma'am, they are asking left, right?
Yes. So
Huh?
there was one. See,
Ma'am, we have to subtract
Ma'am,
the
there is nothing
denominator with
written
the
as there. He
fraction.
picked one. It is only saying that Javed was given 5/7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of orange was left in the basket?
so that means
was 7, right?
one was already weighted, and he took 5.7 off a basket.
Oh, off a basket.
Of a. That means he
Ma'am,
had a basket, and
ma'am, there are
out of that
7
basket he took
oranges.
5/7. Okay. So one
Yeah.
full basket was there. A means Javed was given this. Of a means one
Of one
minus
basket.
5.7.
5/7. Okay. I'm a minus.
So never miss this word because means one.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
I just wait for everyone to finish then. Okay.
Ma'am, can I just get some water?
Ma'am, I finished.
Salman, you gave the test which I took last week.
Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Okay, everybody finished? Okay, Hana is coming. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So who will tell me the step? Wait a minute, I'll ask.
Ma'am,
Salman, are you there? Can you hear me? Salman, am I audible?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait a minute, let me ask Salman. Salman, can you hear me? Salman, can you hear me? Salman?
Can I?
Wait a minute. I just need to ask Salman because he's not answering.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, he is there, but he is muted.
He's there, but he's lost.
Ma'am, maybe his internet is not working, so he
Yeah,
can't hear.
maybe, but if his network is not working, then he should tell me, ma'am, my connection is not good today,
Ma'am,
you know? Because
ma'am, can I
him and he is not responding. I've texted the counselor. Let's see. Yeah, Ira this
Ma'am,
time
can I
sent the text. Yeah.
Ma'am, can
should I see the statements also?
Okay, Ira, tell me the statements. Okay, only the statements.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I see the answer then?
I'll ask. Ira, tell me the statement first.
A fraction of oranges Javed was given equals to 5 by 7. A fraction of oranges left with Javed.
You have to write total. Total oranges equals to
Okay.
1. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, Halima, you tell me the first step. What should I do the first step?
Ma'am, number like
What
the
should I do
steps
here?
that she told us now, like
Huh.
that.
No. Just tell. I'm solving this now. Tell me
Ma'am,
how should I solve this? Huh?
okay. Ma'am, then 5 by 7 minus 1
No, not 5 by 7.
equals to
1 minus 5
5
by
minus 1.
Huh. Then what should I do here? What should I write here?
Yeah, 1 minus 5 by 7. 7.
And then here?
And then 1 minus 5.
The denominators are different. How would you write 1 minus 5?
Oh.
Hannah, you tell me.
Ma'am, we first find the LCM.
You got 7.
So, ma'am, the LCM of 1 and 7
is 7.
7. So,
Then?
ma'am, we'll do it'll be 1 by 7, 5 by 7. So now we can add 1. Now we can subtract 1 minus 5 is equal to 4.
Ira, do you want to add something?
What?
Hi, Hannah also said 4 by 7. Halima also said 4 by 7. Is this the answer?
I got 2 by 7.
Yes. Tell me how you got 2 by 7.
Ma'am, ma'am, in one stable, 7 is coming by 1 into 7, and also in seventh stable, 1 into 7 is 7. So then we have to do 7 into 1, which equals to 7. Then a 7 minus 5, which becomes 2 by 7.
Yes, Halima and Hannah. When we were doing this part, I told you now, when you have a whole number, what you do?
We have to add 1.
Minus 7 by 5. Yes?
Yes.
So you put a 1 here. So in this case also you had a whole number, which is 1. So it is like 1 minus 5 by 7. So you will automatically write a 1 here. Okay, so do they have the same denominators now?
No.
No. So you will take 7 here. Now, this is what you have to do. In one table, 7 comes at what time?
7.
7. So 1 7 is 7, right? So 7 multiplied by whatever is written in the numerator. So 1.
7 multiplied by 1 minus 5.
Yes. And over here in 7 table, 7 comes at 1 multiplied by 5. Okay. So 7 minus 5 and this. So you got 2 by 7.
2 by.
Here. So just remember one thing. Whenever a whole number is given, you know a whole number. What is a whole number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are whole number, right? This is a whole number 2, and if I write 2 by 3, this is a fraction. So if you are subtracting a fraction from a whole number, you will put a 1 in the denominator so that it also become a fraction. Then this procedure. Here, so quickly note it down, and then I will give you one question, you will solve it. everybody. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, earlier we already noted this down, right?
Sorry?
Earlier we already noted it down.
Yes, those who did it, that's fine. But those who got the wrong answer, they need to.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do this one, A, and the B one also. Okay? Okay, this is addition.
For the addition one, we just have to do the same thing, right?
For addition, addition and subtraction steps are going to be same, but you will add it and you will subtract it. That's it.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so we have to multiply 3 into 5 and 7 into 5. And then the answer that we get, we have to subtract.
We
And
will
then
take the
that will be
LCM first. So, for example, 3 you got. And first thing is that you need to put a 1 here so that it also become a fraction. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in one table, 3 comes at what time?
3.
3. So, 3 multiplied by 5. And then minus whatever is written here. Now, in 3 table, 3 comes at what time?
3 ones are 3.
1 multiplied by whatever is written here, 7. Now, you can solve it,
Ma'am,
right?
I got the answer. Can I say?
Wait a minute. Let just everyone finish and then.
So, ma'am, you're like cross multiplying.
Kind of, you can say.
Ma'am, can you deliver the answer?
Yes, let everybody do and then I'll. Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, I finished both of them.
Okay, let's just wait for 1 minute.
Ma'am, finished. Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, everybody finished? Should we discuss the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now in
Ma'am,
this,
can I say the first one?
huh?
Ma'am, so 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. So 8 by 3 is the answer.
Okay, next one. Halima,
Can I say?
tell me.
Can I say?
Halima, let Halima try.
Ma'am, I got the answer 37 by 2.
Huh?
37 by 2.
Okay. Hana, you tell me the step. How you got this?
So ma'am, first we do ma'am 7 into 2,
Hmm.
5 into 1.
Hmm.
So ma'am, we'll get 14. 14 plus 14 plus 5
Huh?
and is equal to 19. So 19 by 2 is the
Yes.
answer.
So Halima, how you are getting 37 by 2?
Ma'am, I did it like 7 by 1 plus 5 by 2. And then 1 into 2 plus 7 into 5. 7 into 5.
Why 7 into 5?
Ma'am, because numerator.
In one table, 2
Yeah.
comes at what time?
1.
Huh? 1 1 the 2.
No.
1 should be multiplied by which number that it will give you 2?
1 should be multiplied by 1 2 is a 2. 1
2.
2.
That's why you will write 2. Multiply by whatever is written here 7. And in 2 table, 2 comes at what time, ma'am? 1. So 1 multiplied by 5. So you got 14 and then 5. In case
Ma'am?
people are not aware of this, let's just do one thing. 3 plus 5 by 2. Okay, let's just say. Do cross multiplication. Put 1 here, 2 here. Multiply these two.
3 to the
Multiply
6.
these two. So
3
for
to the 6 and 3 into 2 plus 5 into 1.
so 6 plus 5. 6, 11 by 2. Okay.
Okay.
Is this easy, Halima? Cross multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Ma'am, this
Yeah.
way also is
Yeah, this
we
way is
also do
correct.
this way, right?
See, the way I was teaching you, that we usually use in the higher classes. Right? Because this way is 90% usable, but in 10% cases, this method is not usable, like the cross multiplication. Okay, over there we follow that one. In one table, which number come? See, if the 1 is there, then this method you can do cross multiplication. But in scenario like this, for example, 3 by 2 plus 7 by 5, the denominators are different. So in this case, you cannot do cross multiplication. Okay, but in case if the denominator is 1 on one side, so you can do cross multiplication that
So
way.
ma'am, if there's like a whole
Ma'am,
number,
so
you can
if-
put the one below it.
Yes.
If one isn't there, then we have to do the way the other way you taught us.
So ma'am, in like cases of whole numbers, then cross multiplication we can do.
Yes, the cross multiplication we can do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's just come to the last question of this exercise.
Ma'am, can you just scroll up? Can I write the answer of the one which you did?
Okay, wait.
Like A and B? Ma'am, your screen is stuck.
Here you go.
Thank you. Minus 7 by 3. 3 into 25 minus 5. Ma'am, the B1, is it 7 by 1?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you rewrite the B1? Like 7 by 1 plus 5 by 2 is equal to? Like that one?
Yes. This is what you will write.
Yeah.
Then over here, 7 multiplied by 2. Because in one table, 2 comes like this, like cross multiplication, and here 5 multiplied by 1.
And
then 14 plus 5, and it gives
Okay.
95.
Okay, 1 minute. Done. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So I was supposed to do one question with you people.